Looking for a versatile kitchen tool that makes baking and cooking easier? Mrs. Anderson's round cooling rack is designed to fit perfectly into your baking routine, helping you cool cookies, pies, and cakes faster while ensuring even cooking. Whether you're baking, roasting, or steaming, this rack offers the durability and functionality every home cook needs. What sets this cooling rack apart? It's made from extra sturdy 3/6 mm chrome-plated steel wire, built to last and ovens safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You won't have to worry about rust or scratches on your countertops. The footed base adds stability, keeping the rack steady as you work. Plus, it lifts your food and bakeware above surfaces, improving airflow for faster cooling and more even heat circulation during cooking. I've personally used Mrs. Anderson's rack in a slow cooker to bake bread, and it fit perfectly. The rack's tiny raised metal feet keep food from touching the bottom, preventing burning and letting grease drain away. It's also great for steaming vegetables or dumplings in a pot, and it doubles as a handy workspace for decorating cupcakes or finishing off baked goods. This isn't just a cooling rack, it's a multi-purpose kitchen helper that stands up to daily use. If you're tired of flimsy racks that bend or rust, this is worth a look. Customers consistently praise its sturdy build and versatility. Whether you're a casual baker or someone who loves roasting and steaming, Mrs. Anderson's cooling rack delivers reliable performance. It's a simple upgrade that can change how you cook and bake, making tasks smoother and results better. Ready to improve your kitchen setup? Mrs. Anderson's cooling rack offers what you get: durability, stability, and versatility. It resists rust, won't scratch your counters, and handles temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can use it in the oven, slow cooker, or on the countertop without worry. Try it when you're ready to bring a new level of convenience and quality to your cooking. Don't settle for cheap alternatives that wear out fast. Mrs. Anderson's cooling rack is built to last and designed to make your cooking easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're cooling freshly baked cookies or roasting vegetables, this rack helps your food cook evenly and cool quickly. If that's you, adding this sturdy, reliable rack to your kitchen tools is a smart move.